There are many challenges to building or preserving affordable housing, and we really rely on innovative partners like Phipps, who are always sort of pushing the envelope with cutting-edge ideas and cutting-edge designs.
In addition to increasing the supply of affordable housing, we want to help improve the actual communities that we serve. And Phipps is a perfect example of that. They help invest in the actual real estate, but they also work on kind of building the human capital side of things.
Phipps has an expertise and a track record and a reputation and credibility, and it's been for us an extremely reliable partner and a partner we look forward to working with for many years to come.
Phipps Houses is a real estate developer with a heart. We build and own and manage affordable apartment buildings throughout New York City. We locate those buildings principally in neighborhoods of need, and we work in partnership with Phipps Neighborhoods to make sure that those neighborhoods have more than just opportunity in the form of housing.
I'm standing in the courtyard of the Villa Verde residential development in the Bronx. Walking the site, seeing the property, it's really a powerful thing to see how the public sector and the private sector can work together in one project to create tremendous value both for the residents and for the neighborhoods within which Phipps is building.
We've done a lot of buildings that we're proud of, and we have a huge pipeline of upcoming development and new communities that we're both going to be deeply invested in that are really exciting.
New York City continues to struggle with poverty. Our mission is to break that cycle, and we do that in a variety of ways, but with a focus on education, career development, and what we refer to as community resources, which are really the supports that help people make the most of education and career opportunities.
And if you couple the broad community focus of Phipps Neighborhoods with the objective of Phipps Houses to provide people affordable places to live, it makes for a really powerful combination to lift whole neighborhoods into opportunity.
How you doing? Welcome.
Phipps offers many types of programs toward tenants in their buildings and folks in the communities. They service the senior citizens. They have an on-site nurse at one of the programs. They help residents with their income taxes. They have a great after-school program. My daughter had grown up with the Phipps after-school program as well, and that was a help to me as a single parent.
Phipps Neighborhoods has been a part of my life for a very long time. It actually started when I was back in high school. They allowed me to look beyond where I was at the time and the situations that my family and I were going through, and be able to look at the future and take charge of that future. Now that I'm on the other side and I'm able to sit on the board and make decisions about what happens with these programs, I'm able to offer that perspective of the family and what's important to them.
I got some of my first job experience through Phipps, and I was allowed to interview for the position that I hold now, which is the Managing Director of Community Schools for Phipps Neighborhoods. We currently service 8 community schools. We have 5 in the South Bronx and 3 in the North Bronx to provide wraparound services in the realms of attendance interventions, academic interventions, expanded learning opportunities, mental health services, and family and parent engagement. So where they can receive the services they need to assist their child with being successful.
The other thing that we've focused on is really creating robust training programs partnered with employers so that we can best meet the needs of the employers by training community members to have the skills that the employers are looking for. The partnership that we developed with Montefiore Medical Center under the leadership of Dr. Steve Safier was the beginning of everything that we've done to date that has been so successful in terms of providing some of our young adults with some critical career opportunities that we believe is going to transform their lives.
When I completed the program, I felt accomplished and I felt determined that I was going to get somewhere because that's what they taught me. They taught me that I had it in me. It is amazing to work at Montefiore, to know that you have patients depending on you for their care.
We get people who are ready and raring to work. And I think we do a good job at training people and bringing them in. But if you get people who have been primed before they come, better chance that they're going to succeed.
My long-term career goals in the healthcare system is to become a midwife. I would love to deliver babies and bring them into this world and make it an amazing experience.
I'm a product of these services, and I'm living proof that with giving children in underserved communities the access to resources that they can be anything. The opportunities are endless.
I think moving forward, we want to continue to deepen our work and continue to deepen our impact because we really believe in the importance of creating meaningful change.